I'm just fine, did it?
What?
You think you got one of them baby fish on there?
Stop, Shit, I must be like, oh shit.
Yeah, you get him in the boat, you'll see how many you got.
This is one on there.
Good one.
You know it, baby. You for
Barry got the first one.
Damn.
Barry got the first one.
No more than catfish gal.
Now here, Perry.
Yeah. Hey. You can do some work here. You ain't got to.
Hey, I heard somebody petting over here.
Ooh, you ain't made him come to the top yet. I got one. Come on in.
Hey, you can't stop, bring on in.
Hey,
That's right.
I know what I mean when guys find it and say, hey, that's enough, I don't want to cut it.
He got, what did he got there? He got two. Did he get off, did he? No, he didn't. He's still on there. He got him one.
Yeah, you got one. I want four. Ain't that right? Who got two, man?
He got two? Yeah, he got two.
Somebody get them suckers, man.
No, you got, bring him on into the boat.
Huh?
Bring him on in.
Boy!
That's good right there.
Right there. Right there. Look at that. What you think?
Yeah. Mother. Come on, Charlie, you gotta get ready now.
Yeah, that's Bruce's first catch right there.
Yeah, look what them suckers feeding on. I'm waiting to go yet.
Hey, he's so little. What you say, Perry?
Charlie boy over there.
What do you think you got there? You see Charlie boy, bring him in here. Bring him in, Charlie boy.
No, they ain't losing these suckers. They ain't talking. Charlie, talk. No, Charlie.
They're coming in.
You get the red down there. They way down in the gut down there. Get the red, baby. You keep his mouth open to it. Talk, Charlie. Talk, Charlie. Oh.
You gotta get energy.
There you go. Other people down. Sorry, you ain't got him yet?
Perry, you're getting out his case now, Perry.
Almost over. You ain't talking yet. Come on, man, why you take the picture?
Wind as you go down. There you go. There they come, Charlie boy. Let me get him in the water, Jim. So go ahead. Here they come, Charlie boy. Too nice. There they are, Charlie boy.
What do you think, Charlie?
What do you think, Charlie boy? What do you think?
Okay, I'll get on to it. You go ahead. Get on off here.
Oh.
Wind up now. You ain't gonna talk yet.
That's your coach. You got your coach. You got your coach talking to you, Charlie boy.
Wind up now. Wind up.
I'm coming.
Wind up now. Wind up. There you go. Wind up now, Charlie. Let down. Wind up. There you go. Let down and wind up. There you go. Come on. Where that right, John?
Hey, look, you just coaching one. You got to coach the other buddy over here too. You can't talk to my one at a time.
Yeah, this one here, he gonna wait.
Well, if you can't talk, you know they can't fish.
I got him walking the water, bro. Let me see.
You walking the water?
Oh, yeah, I got 3 this time, boy.
You got 3?
I got 3. I'm gonna take your picture. Let me see what you got.
How many you got, Perry?
3. Yeah, he's coming in with 2. I got 3 there.
No, you don't have 3.
Let's see what he got. What you got? $1. Yeah. What I got, John?
You got 2. You got 2.
Yeah, you got 2. You got 2. Yeah, you got 2. I get my reel up there.
That's good.
Hey, yeah. Hold him up there. Hold him up, so I can see him. Yeah.
See him here, Charlie boy.
What you got to say, Perry? Huh?
That's all right, John.
Throw him in the box.
Come on in with the 3, Charlie.
How's you feeling, Charlie boy?
Heavy.
Heavy?
How you got that line thing out there?
Got 3 there, Charlie boy. You said you wanted a 3 banger, you got him. Here, let me get over here so we... How's you feel, Charlie boy? There they are, Charlie boy. What do you think, Charlie? Come on, give me a speech.
Charlie, just answer one question.
That is wonderful.
Now, was John Lyons in it?
That's wonderful.
No, sir.
When I say I want 3, I want 3. I'm not going to ask for 4.
You asked him, so that's where you go.
That's how I'm going.
I may well take pictures. I may well take pictures. We can't catch any fish.
It was going to take a picture. I can't say exactly. We can't catch any. All you wound up pulling in was the edge.
Yeah. Yeah, I was fighting it. All of a sudden it got light. He brought up just the head.
Sure, I got him, huh?
Yeah.
Jaws is down there.
We ended up hooking the shark too. It was about a 500-pound mangrove.
day. So tell the boy bringing in 3, Cal bringing in 2 or 3. These cats working, boy. Look at him. Yeah.
Like I ate.
Brew, what do you think? Huh? Huh?
Ain't the bottom of the damn ocean. You got Joe. Y'all ain't got in yet? The hell wrong with you, Joe? All got 3 shit. You can't get in? All got 3 big something. Get that elected. You ready? That ain't shit. Huh? You got 3 of them something. Y'all got 3 big shit. Can you get in with them, Charlie? Shit, I'll throw my hook back out there and give you a shot at him if you want me to.
Come on.
Need a little help. Huh? Yeah, you got 3. You need a damn somebody to get in them summers in here, don't you, Charlie? You ain't lying, brother, huh?
Let him buy that. How you making it, Charlie? You gonna make it?
Yeah. Yeah, you can make it now. You got a little help with that. Woo!
There they are, Charlie boy.
That's some good size fish.
That's what they got there. We'll fill that box up like this.
Man, oh man. That's a good size fish.
Hold. Oh, you got them off already? Charlie boy?
You got
Got him here?
Feel like catching like that with me and Charlie boy. Feel like really throwing somebody catching like that.
You got it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, you got it.
Yeah,
Okay.
You do not need another one, but
What you got on there, Brew?
I don't need that no. Okay, got 2 of them got that 1 hook in the mouth. One of them got 2 hooks in the mouth.
you get another one, buddy. You know. Bring them to you now.
He got 3. He got 2.
I'm right up to the boat now.
Oh, yeah.
What did you say?
I don't know. It was a mako.
Hey.
It's pretty big.
Hey.
Where?
A shark was after him.
Just right underneath these blue.
Get the hot seat, Dick.